First of all, I would like to say that today, what am I going to talk in front of you? It's not only a topic, it's my own emotion, it's my own feeling for the person who is most important for me. कि तुझे देखा तो पता चला, कि तुझे देखा तो पता चला, हो सकता है तुझे देखा तो पता चला, हो सकता है एक इंसान भी पूरी दुनिया हो सकता है. So for me, my father is everything, because I can give you multiple examples when no one stands before me, but the only person who was before me was my father. Even he is not here, he is in village, but he always took care of me. I'm studying, but I have not that much, like, I don't concentrate that much on my things, but he is there. Then too, he is focusing on my things. Like, I'd like to say that sometimes the people who want to pull your leg, they don't attack you just facely. They attack you on your back. For like pulling the leg of any girl, it is very easy to show, to like say something bad about their character. You all are girls, you all are boys, so you can understand this feeling also. So I'd like to tell you the story of 1 month ago. I don't know who was the person, but there was a I was doing cat work. It was just a casual like video I have put on my status. So someone take it from my status and send it to my father. And the lady, she had said that I had found it from any boy. Can you feel? Like, how does it feel that a father has sent the daughter for studying and he is like getting these all things? And also the most important thing, she has said like, I got it from any boy. On that day, I was thinking, I was crying because I was not aware of the reality of the society. Because in my village, everyone was talking. It can be they were talking like very much politely on my face. But once my father, when he talked to me, he was telling like, it's okay. I know you are right. That's the most important thing for me. It can be, it's casually, you are uploading your video, it's all right. But if you're not aware of the reality, you just need to know that now the people are not, like, they are not thinking for yourself. Because I have only daughters, so they are trying to insult me by the name of yours. Right. If they are not, like, if you are studying polite in the accurate way, they have nothing to do. So they are like making fun of me on your name. So that was the like most important day for me, because for a girl, I think there is a superhero of the dad. And like when I was preparing for NDA, so one day like I used to go to like library on the 6 a.m. In the morning, and I used to come with my father on like 11:30 to 12 p.m. So my father, one day, I assume, and I feel like on that day I was feeling very proud to be his daughter, that he has said that I can totally say that this is my child, she is going to have government job. I would like to quote it in Audhi because so that I can feel it like truly. So वो बोल रहे थे कि यह हमारी बिटिया है जो सबसे पहले नौकरी पाए. पता नहीं कहा है हमका इतना फीलिंग आउट बटे, मतलब हमको महसूस बटे एक पूरा मतलब सारी मेहनत देखते हुए मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, कि ये बहुत जल्दी नौकरी पाएगी. और इतनी मेहनत ये करती है, बस मैं सोचता हूँ कि जल्दी ही कुछ हो जाए, क्योंकि ये समाज ना लड़कियों को बहुत ज्यादा वो कर देता है. सो फॉर दैट आई एम ट्रूली लाइक ऑनर्ड to be his daughter, that he has so much belief on me. I'd like to say that.
What would you like to say to your father? You can say.
Huh?
On camera. camera, if you want to say to your father, you can say.
I would like to say only one word, only one sentence that
In Hindi, in Bhojpuri, if you want to say that.
आपका मेरे ऊपर इतना विश्वास करने के लिए आपका पूरे दिल से बहुत बहुत ज्यादा धन्यवाद। और मैं इतना पूरे अपने होशो हवास में पूरे दिल से कह रही हूँ कि मैं इतनी मेहनत करूंगी कि आपके इस विश्वास पे एक दिन जरूर ही खरा उतरूं। तो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ जैसे कि वी आर 3 sisters here and our society always, like before my 10th I was not like just casual girl, so I was not that much okay in my studies also, so they were used to say like क्या ही कर लेगी, लड़की है, मतलब इतना मत पढ़ाओ। मेरी दीदी को भी मतलब लखनऊ में भेजते समय पूरी सोसाइटी they were against of it, but like it's up to us, when we want to do something then we have to do it.
Yes.
तो बस उसके बाद जब when I topped like in 10th then they were saying like okay हो गया होगा, चीटिंग कर ली होगी, ऐसे पास हो गई होगी। तो मतलब पापा मेरे बोले कुछ नहीं बोलना है, मुझे पता है तुम कितनी मेहनत कर रही हो, इन लोगों को बस आगे ऐसे मेहनत करती रहो, दिखाती रहो। तो बस और like
You want to say to all fathers?
yes,
Yes.
I would like to say to all fathers that
Believe on girls.
not just believe on girls. If you are giving her example of any girl who has been successful in their life, so firstly see their parents, how they are, how much protecting they are in their life, because no other girl, no any girl can be successful in truly manners, like it is said real success. I have also said on that day that if your parents are not supportive to you, then you can't be successful. You may be successful, but not from your heart. So the fathers are very important person in our life. So thank you all for listening so carefully. You have been great audience of the day.
Very nice.